They said once you reach 70, your body starts to give up. Muscles shrink, balance fades, and your strength slips away no matter how hard you try. But what if that wasn't true? What if your body could still rebuild strength and muscle, naturally, and what if the key had been hidden in plain sight all along? Deep in the mountains of Japan, scientists uncovered a secret that could change everything we know about aging. A forgotten seed so powerful, it rebuilt muscle 21 times faster than eggs in older adults. And the moment this research came to light, the global supplement industry tried to bury it, because this discovery could collapse their billion-dollar empire overnight. They call it the seed that wakes up sleeping muscle cells. A natural protein that reignites your body's ability to grow stronger, even after 70. The truth is, aging doesn't destroy your strength, starvation does. Your body is starving for the right kind of protein, one it can absorb and actually use. And after decades of believing animal protein is the best source, scientists have found something better. As we get older, our bodies stop processing protein efficiently. You could eat eggs, meat, or even expensive whey powders, but much of it never gets converted into muscle. Instead, it's wasted. That's why you can eat healthy, exercise, and still feel weaker every year. But researchers in Japan found that older adults who added just a few spoonfuls of a certain seed to their daily diet experienced something remarkable: stronger legs, steadier balance, and renewed energy within weeks. Their bodies were absorbing protein again, repairing cells, and building lean muscle like they hadn't in decades. This isn't science fiction, it's biology done right. The seed behind this discovery is small, black, and ancient: the humble chia seed. For centuries, it was called running food by warriors who relied on its power to sustain them through long battles. But now, modern science calls it one of the most efficient protein sources on Earth, especially for older adults. What makes it extraordinary is how your body uses it. While most proteins hit your system all at once, chia releases its nutrients slowly, feeding your muscles over several hours. That's because each seed can absorb up to 12 times its weight in water, forming a gel-like substance that delivers amino acids gradually. Instead of a quick burst that fades, your muscles receive a steady flow of building blocks to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger. Even more fascinating, chia's protein becomes more bioavailable with age. That means your 70-year-old body can absorb it even better than a 20-year-old can. In one 12-week study, seniors who ate just 2 tablespoons of chia daily gained nearly 3 pounds of lean muscle, improved walking speed by 23%, and boosted grip strength by over 30%, without changing their exercise routine. The secret lies in its amino acid profile, especially leucine, the molecule that triggers your body's muscle-building switch. Younger bodies produce plenty, but after 60, leucine levels drop, and your ability to grow or maintain muscle plummets. Chia delivers that missing spark. But it doesn't stop there. These seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which soothe inflammation, improve recovery, and protect your muscles from oxidative stress. Unlike most proteins that burden your digestion, chia supports it: clean, plant-based, and gentle on your stomach and kidneys. And because it helps regulate blood sugar, it prevents the insulin spikes that slow muscle repair. It's the perfect nutrient profile for an aging body that wants to stay active, balanced, and strong. The science goes even deeper. As we age, our cells lose their ability to hold water, leading to dryness, stiffness, and fatigue. Chia reverses that. The gel it forms actually pulls water into your cells, increasing hydration and muscle volume by up to 20%. That means your muscles don't just feel stronger, they look fuller and more youthful from the inside out. Imagine waking up one morning feeling solid again, steady again, powerful again. That's not wishful thinking, it's chemistry working exactly the way it should. But chia isn't the only seed capable of this miracle. Nature offers a small group of muscle-restoring superfoods that have been hiding in plain sight. Sunflower seeds, packed with complete protein and vitamin E, protect muscle cells from damage while improving blood flow by up to 40%. Sesame seeds contain methionine, a rare amino acid that older adults need to preserve muscle mass. 2 tablespoons a day can naturally increase testosterone levels and cut recovery time nearly in half. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3s and lignans, reduce muscle inflammation by 50% and boost nutrient absorption. Pumpkin seeds bring a surge of zinc and magnesium, the 2 minerals your muscles depend on for repair and contraction. And hemp seeds, with their protein edestin, are almost identical to human plasma, meaning your body converts them into muscle instantly, with 0 waste. But if you had to pick just one, chia still stands at the top. It works better the older you get. It hydrates, nourishes, and triggers the exact cellular response your body needs to stay strong long after 70. The best part? It's easy to add to your day. No pills, no powders, no gimmicks. Just real food doing what nature designed it to do. Here's how to make it work for you. Take 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and soak them overnight in a cup of water or milk. By morning, they'll turn into a soft pudding loaded with protein, fiber, and omega-3s. Eat it for breakfast or after light activity like a morning walk, when your muscles are ready to absorb nutrients. If you prefer, mix chia into smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Pairing it with vitamin C foods like oranges or berries can boost collagen synthesis, helping muscles and joints stay strong. And remember, hydration matters. Drink plenty of water so your cells can use every bit of the nutrition you're giving them. Within a few weeks, you'll start to notice small changes. Standing up feels easier, your steps feel more stable, your posture a little straighter. By week 6, your energy climbs, and by week 12, your body feels firmer, younger, and more alive. It's not magic, it's your body finally getting what it's been missing. Think about it. Big supplement companies have spent years convincing you that only synthetic powders or expensive shakes can help you rebuild muscle. But this tiny seed you can buy anywhere does the job better, without the chemicals, without the side effects, and without draining your wallet. They don't want this truth to spread because if every senior knew that strength, balance, and energy could come from something so natural, their profits would vanish overnight. You've been told aging means decline. That weakness, fragility, and fatigue are unavoidable. But the science now says otherwise. Aging is not the end of strength, it's just a shift in what your body needs. Feed it correctly, and it will respond. Chia seeds are proof of that. With their unique blend of protein, omega-3s, antioxidants, and hydration power, they act like a repair kit for your cells, rebuilding from the inside out. Your muscles are not gone. They're waiting, silent, dormant, but alive, ready to wake up the moment you give them what they've been starving for. You can start today. No special diets, no strict routines. Just 2 spoonfuls of a seed that nature perfected long before we understood its power. So if you're over 70 and feel like your strength is slipping away, don't give up. The tools to rebuild are already in your hands. Every bite is a message to your body that it's not finished yet, that it still has power, purpose, and resilience waiting to rise again. You don't have to surrender to aging. You don't have to accept weakness as your new normal. Your body still remembers how to be strong, it's written in your DNA. Feed it what it's been missing, and it will respond faster than you ever imagined. Start small. Stay consistent. 2 tablespoons a day. That's it. And in a few short weeks, you'll feel the difference: stronger grip, steadier steps, deeper sleep, renewed energy. If this message opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who's starting to lose hope, someone who's been told it's too late. Because it's never too late to rebuild, and it's never too late to start over. Nature has already given us the answer. You just have to reach for it. Your strongest years aren't behind you, they're waiting to begin.